Welcome back to another video. Today we got a weekly ad from Lowe's, valid March 21st through March 27th. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, more tool deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. It says, welcome spring with fresh savings. See if I can click on this. It's $100 off. I guess $100 off on this Husqvarna riding lawnmower. Yeah. Okay, I'm not gonna go over all those because they make you go back in detail. Alright, we got this one, Craftsman 2800 PSI, 2.3 gallons per minute, gas pressure washer for $2.99. So anything that's gas is going to give you that push, you know, to the deep cleaning power. Also, you got to be careful with your paint if you're going to be, you know, on your vehicle or your house. Just be careful you're not removing that paint, because some of them will remove the paint. I'm just fast forwarding these. Alright, we got the Husqvarna 25cc 2-cycle 17-inch gas string trimmer for $2.99. You got a Husqvarna 163cc 21-inch cut self-propelled all-wheel drive gas lawnmower, $3.29. A Husqvarna 160cc 21 cut self-propelled rear-wheel drive lawnmower, $3.99. It does have a Honda motor, I guess. GCV engine without a choke. Yeah, it does have a Honda motor. Let's see here. See more info. Yeah, it's a Honda engine. That's why it's kind of pricey. Hondas are good engines. Husqvarna YTH 18542, 18.5 horsepower, 42-inch cut, hydrostatic lawnmower, $14.99. Then we got this one this was a YTH 2448V or V48, 24-inch horsepower, V-twin 48-inch cut mower, foot pedal, hydrostatic riding lawnmower for just under $1,900. And then we got this one, I guess this is more expensive, YTH24V54, 24 horsepower, V-twin 54-inch cut riding lawnmower for $2.99. Alright, and we do have some tools at the end, some power tools. So I'm just going to go over these real quick. Craftsman 160cc 21-inch cut push gas lawnmower for $2.49. You got this one, 163cc 21-inch self-propelled front wheel drive, $2.79. These are different. Personally, I like the ones that have the engine on the front. This is the R110, 10.5 horsepower, 30-inch cut riding lawnmower for $199. So just under $1,200. You got Craftsman T110, 17.5 horsepower, 42-inch cut, just under $1,300. And this one's a T210, 18 horsepower, 42-inch, $1,799, just under $1,800. And then we got this one. Every time you're buying a lawnmower, if you're gonna be doing this a lot, especially if you're gonna be a professional, I would recommend getting the zero turn, because every time you're turning with that tractor, you can't just turn right there. You gotta take actually a turn, a big turn. So it takes longer, and it's more convenient if you just do it on the spot, turning on the spot. Z510, 20 horsepower, V twin 42 cut, dual hydrostatic zero turn lawnmower. That's what they're called, zero turn. $2,599. Yeah, these are more pricey. These are something a professional landscaper would use. So I guess we got the Greenworks 1750 psi, 1.2 gallons per minute. Pressure washer with for $99. Then we got the Greenworks 2000 psi, 1.2 gallons per minute. Pressure washer, $119 or $199. My bad. You got the Craftsman 25cc 2-cycle 17-inch gas string trimmer, $129. You got the Cobalt 40 volt max 13-inch cut cordless string trimmer, $159. It includes a 2.5 amp hour battery and a charger. So this is a good deal here. If you're like me and you use this maybe 2 or 3 times, and once the season's over, you start it up the next season and it doesn't want to start because the carburetor it's dirty. So you gotta now take it to get serviced and or clean it yourself. And something like this, all you gotta do is just pop the battery in the charger and press the trigger, and it turns. Well, put the battery in the charger, put the battery on the tool, and then push the trigger, and it'll just turn on. So it's a give and take, for the price and battery stuff. This is the same thing with this one. It seems like everybody's going to lithium now, lithium batteries and brushless motors. This is the Cobalt 40 volt max 20-inch deck width push brushless cordless lawnmower for $299. It says no load voltage. When fully charged, peaks at 40 volts. Nominal voltage under typical is 36. So they're basically telling you it's a 36 volt. That's what they're telling you. It's a sales thing that they're advertising the 40 volt. Craftsman 25cc 2-cycle gas leaf blower for $99. Alright, we got some grills right there. We're not going to go over the grills. This is a tool channel, so we got some patio furniture. It says Craftsman guide available. Alright, we got some shelves. Let's see here. We'll go over this one first. 5 tiers, 72 inch, 36 in height, 24 in depth, $44.98. Always look at the pound capacity. Make sure that's, if you want to buy something heavy duty, make sure it's heavy duty. It's at least 1,000 pound, 800 pound capacity. Because if you buy something that's 800 pounds or 500 pounds, it's not gonna hold much. So this is a 5 tier, 72, 48 inch width, 24 in depth, steel shelving unit for $84.98. And this is your heavier duty. It's a 1,500 capacity. 3 tier, 72 inch by 77, so it's basically a square like that. 24 in depth, so it's good for the garage. It doesn't take a lot of space. Steel shelving unit for $149. Let's see what else they got here. Next page. Got some paints, flooring. Let's see here. So a ladder right there for $49. It's not a bad deal. Werner, 6 feet. Aluminum step ladder for 250 pound capacity. Always look at the capacity. Make sure it fits to your needs. $49.96. You don't want to put your life in danger for a ladder. Okay, DeWalt 20 volt max lithium ion 1/4 variable speed cordless impact driver soft case for $99. This is probably not a brushless says include a 1.5 amp hour lithium battery and a charger. So this is going to be your basic drill. It's not going to be the newest out there. And I'm pretty sure it's not a brushless. It's probably just a regular drill. It's going to say at the bottom here, it includes... doesn't say. If it doesn't say, specifications here. Brushless X. So it's not a brushless. So every time it you encounter something like this, it has to say brushless. Most of the time, but I would say about 95% of the time, it's gonna say brushless on the title. Because they, companies want to advertise their newest tools and their brushless tools as in, the newest thing out there, the more power. That's why they're going to advertise it as that. You got the DeWalt 20 volt max lithium ion 1/2 inch cordless drill driver. Soft case, $99. It's a basic drill. Again, it's not a brushless. It does include two 1.3 amp hour batteries. Don't expect the batteries to have a level meter. Like I said, it's something basic, but you can always upgrade batteries. But for the house or for somebody that's starting, that's a good thing. That's a great item. You got the Craftsman 6 gallon 150 psi electric air hose or air compressor combo kit, $149. Guess it does include like some brad nailer and or finish nailer and a hose there. See here, it includes SME 6150 compressor, 150 psi, lightweight, portable, oil free. And it's an 18 gauge brad nailer. Like I said before, it's a CMPB N18SB. 18 gauge brad nailer with the power to drive up to 2-inch brad nails. These are nice brad nailers. Haven't used the Craftsman myself, but I used the other ones and I like them. Alright, short video for today. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.